Hello everyone, welcome to another video. We're gonna be playing Skylanders Trap Team because I'm 8 years old again. I decided to watch. Oh no, please don't go into the trash can. And here today, I forgot to mention, is my cat. Say hello, Blue. Me and him are playing Skylanders together because there he goes. I guess he's he's just chilling. We're gonna be playing some Skylanders. I'm gonna be playing some Skylanders because I decided to go back in time like 8 years. Yeah, 2014. I was born in a seven. I'm now 16. That's so sad sometimes to think about, bro. But I want to play some Skylanders, bro. So we'll be playing it today. I made sure to reset everything. And to make things even harder on me, cause I'm a big boy now. 2 more years until I'm a legal adult. Oh my god, I'm freaking out. Um, we're gonna be playing on nightmare mode, cause I hate myself. Oh yeah, it could be awesome. I'm eating an ice cream cake right now. Um, boy, that's pretty damn good. God, I love seeing this. The white screen, dude. I used to play this game at like the middle of the night, bro. It's like I was like a dumb little kid, didn't realize sleep was good for you. So now I'm stupid. Aw. I had all of those figures at one time, bro, and then I gave them away to one of my little cousins who gave them away as well to one of his like little friends, and now they're all gone. I had like $2,000 worth of Skylanders now gone. They use Steve Irwin as the crocodile guy, I swear. Oh yeah, the guy with the most aura. I saw a TikTok video about fucking I forgot his name already. He's here. I have him. He's right here. Said this guy has so much aura. Oh my god, so much aura. I'm like, wow. I was like, wow, that's so cool. People still talk about this game. It's kind of funny to me. Oh no. Not the guy from Invader Zim. Not the guy from Hell of a Boss. I have all of them. Not all of them, but I have like every element. Where'd my cat go? Bro, what are you doing? Look at his goofy eye. Oh, you can see him. What are you doing back there? Dude, I remember when this first came out. Bro, it was so fire, bro. The show was fire. I saw it and I was like, oh my god, this is the best thing I've ever seen, dude. Skylanders, but it's a TV show. Oh my lord. I was glazing that shit. Oh, God. Aren't you the same? What species, guys? If you're a true Skylander fan, you should go ahead and tell me what race they are because I do not know what type of species they are. It's very weird. Man, they're so reliant on us. You know, we're going OG, bro. I'm gonna show off all the characters I use. We got Enigma, bro. We're gonna using him first because this is one of my favorites. He's cool as fuck looking, and if you say anything otherwise, you're a loser. Oh yeah, Buzz is such a Sigma, guys. Oh my god. Buzz, let me suck it, Buzz. Oh my lordy lord. Enigma is such a Sigma, bruh. Oh, yes, sir, Buzz. I'm so cool. If I had to be honest though, bro, Enigma is obviously the coolest Skylander of them all, bro. Like, change my mind. Oh, wildfire's so cool, guys. Yeah, shut up, you snot no, you booger picking fat bitch. Yeah, go back to playing Minecraft and glazing over pedophiles. Fucking Skylanders, bro. That's the shit, dude. Enigma and Skylanders, bro. Oh, there's something down here. Can't miss out on secrets now. I'm trying to do as much as possible in this really shitty YouTube series so I can be cool and say that I've played Skylanders in 2024. I'm doing something no other person has because I'm a Sigma, a skibbity Sigma, in fact. God, Skylanders and brain rot just does not match, bro. Booyah! Dude, on the Xbox, I'm playing on PlayStation, but on the Xbox, it was so much cooler. You had to do this. You're a real one if you did this on your controller, bro. That was how it was, bro. They're making you mash buttons. PlayStation, you had the worst of experiences, I guess, bro. Yes, sir. Cash prizes, dude. I love cash prizes. We gotta run, because there's some money down here, and we need a lot of that, because I'm a hobo. Ooh! Oh, yeah. Serious parkour skills right here, man. Are you serious? Do I really gotta climb back up there, bro? This is annoying. Ah! Uh, That shit was pissing me off. I'm sorry I had to get so violent, bro. I'm like an abusive alcoholic father, bro. Die, that sounds fire. A fucking sheep rebellion. If you unplug my PlayStation, I'm gonna shoot you. Oh my lord. Oh yeah. Oh my god, I suck. Come here, weirdo. Ground pound. Ground pound. Bam, bam, bam. He's dead. Gonna get my hammer crystal and place it on my portal. And I'm gonna put my mic closer to it so you can hear the dialogue. Yeah, some of these Skylanders are old. So, or like you. So the traps all have someone in it. I'm sorry, chat. I played this game a long time ago, and I didn't have the game anymore, so I had to buy it and the portal. Cat is sitting on my bed, being a little sussy baka, dude. You're a baka. There you go. Oh shit. Back again. Oh yeah. Life Jet. Wing Sapphire. Dude, I can Alak Lakbar. Alak Lakbar! As a sheep creep. Watch this. I'm gonna do it in a minute. I'm gonna do it when we get to a certain part in the game that I know is about to come up. And you go, Alak Lakbar. Ooh! Speaking of that part. I gotta get them all. Alak Lakbar! Alak Lakbar! Alak Lakbar! Alak Lakbar! Alak Lakbar! Again. Alak Lakbar! Alak Lakbar! Alak Lakbar! And chicka pow! 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 Oh yeah! Bam! Bro, if you're a true Sigma, you know that's awesome. This game is so awesome, man. I love Skylanders, bro. It takes me back playing this game. Respectfully. Excuse me. Sheep creep. Be quiet. Playing the game right now. Can't have you be making them strange sounds. Oh, we gotta switch them. We're going for the crocodile with the bow. Oh yeah, snapshot. What another Australian Sigma. You mean by a true Sigma? That's who you mean. The true Sigmas. Shut the fuck up, man. This dialogue. Booyah! Booyah! I'm starting to realize this guy sounds nothing like Steve Irwin. God, I love this game, man. Turtle hat. Should I wear it? Yes. We're wearing the turtle hat. You hear that? This guy is such a Sigma. He can wear any hat and still be a Sigma. That's so cool. That's so cool. He's such a true Sigma. Only true Sigmas can say stuff like that. True. I did not miss anything. I realized my mic was muted, bro. I wonder how much you did not hear. My dad came in to interrupt my Sigma moment. My cat went bazonkers and ran across my desk. Oh, they wanna mess with the Sigma? Kabam! Kabam! That's what happens when you mess with the Sigma. Oh, dude, these is the thing of boom, right? Like the scroll of boom. Yeah, meditations on boom. Of course I want to read this scroll. Oh, we need that life guy, huh? Nightlight was one of my favorite characters as well, bro. He's so fucking cool looking. I mean, dude, look at him. The Seer of Light, bro. That's such a fire name for a character. Like who doesn't want to be the Seer of Light? It's such a Sigma name. We gotta give only the Sigma his Sigma hat. Which is such a stupid fucking looking hat, bro. What is this? Weather vane? Man, only wear it because it gives me plus 25 armor. Oh my lord. Also, we're not watching these. Nope. So if you want to go watch them, go look up your shitty YouTube videos about like all of them, bro, because there's so many. Isn't that the way to get up there? I need all of them for, like, beating every chapter. Yeah, here we go. Dude, I used to have blades, and then I lost blades, so now I don't have blades. And we gotta switch again, bro. I'm getting angry. Oh, no, 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 no. That's a spoiler. Max to the max. Only a true Sigma would say that. Are you back in the show, man? You back in? Say hi to all of our guests. I mean, Cheap Creep found that funny, huh? Yeah, bye-bye, buddy. You're not funny. Get out of here, weirdo. That dude was looking at naked pictures of my grandma, bro. Had to give him the treatment. Oh yeah, there's the big blue guy. Got his name. The Gulper. Oh my lord, almost one shot me. Damn! I got. Oh, it's on hard mode. I guess I can already. I'm gonna put the shoddy on. She's one of the hot characters. Lord of mercy. Dude, I like clank, 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 clank. Yes, ma'am. You tell him, dog. Superior in every way. What is that? Bucket hat? What it looks like. Bucket hat, dude. I can either be a frat white boy or a fisher guy. Guy into fishing, like queso, dude. I wish I was queso, just not fat. Oh, you're so fucking skinny, Logan. It looks like you're one of those kids from you look like you're an orphan. Yeah, I know. Banned. You know, I could be like that. Kinda like queso, but not queso. Like the opposite of queso. I'm just not fat and skinny. See this, bro? I could be the opposite of queso. Look how weak I am. So skinny, bro. What are you doing, dog? Come here. Come here. Yes, sir. So so assertive. This is queso, bro. What the fuck? Soda. Dude, this is queso from that one queso, that one queso YouTube video. You're getting so big, you're gonna cause the world to end. Banned. Bro, chat, let me know once I beat this game if I should like go in order of the Skylanders, not counting this one because I'm already playing Trap Team, so I'm not gonna play it again. That's dumb. So real, Gulper, bro. I wish I could be like you. Not a care in the world and just drink nothing but soda. Dude, you can see his like fat, like his little fat lobes, bro. So disgusting. Little fat rolls, bro. Dreamcatcher is such an L, bruh. Right? Nobody should like Dreamcatcher. She's so. If I'm correct, this should be. Oh yeah. No, it's not. Calm down, young sir. I missed something. I'm remembering. I'm having a feeling inside my bones, bro. That something is most definitely down here. I guess not. I must have been wrong. I'm definitely wrong. God damn, bro. Look how big his ass is. Maybe you should eat like a salad or something. What? Gulper raging on his own. What? No. I do not want to preview that. That is not for me. Yummy! Nah, dog, what? That sounds like the water in Africa. That's the stuff they drink, man. That's so disrespectful. It tastes worse than what it sounds. No, man, that's what they drink, bro. You can't be saying that. Bro. Yes, of course he's working right now.
That sucks.
No, it does.
Well, tell him he can come over if he wants to.
Okay. Alright. Alrighty, chat. My dad just came in to let me know that is he gonna at least be home today? Because, you know, he's my friend. He has to work on the day. We were gonna go on vacation together, but he can't go. So I'm like, I'm gonna stay home with him. But we got the gulper. Swirly thing. Dang. I love this guy.
What? Hello? Can anybody hear Gulper? And if so, can you bring Gulper some soda? Gulper have to be nice now. Kind of strange, but Gulper get used to it. Big Gulper.
We beat it! We beat the first chapter! Yay! Bum 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 bum. Oh, I lost a life, bro. How unfortunate. I have to come back here and do it again. Spend everything, bro. That's embarrassing. We can come back and do it. I'll come back and do it later so I can get all the stars. She's a shoddy. Thank you, Master Eon. What could it possibly be? A good amount of money, that's what it is. But we're gonna be ending off the video here. We're gonna be ending the video here today, guys. We got some Skibby Sigma things to do. So we're gonna end off episode 1 of Skylanders Trap Team. In the comments below, out of all the Trap Masters but one, it's the other Earth one, not the guy with the hammers, the lady with the antlers. Out of all 17 that I own right now, because I don't have any of the minifigures anymore, because I lost all of them, and all the other characters, let me know who I should use. Bye-bye now. Bye.